I'm going to show you how I use our Kristen lace mould. With all the lace moulds, I usually brush white pearl luster into the mould instead of using corn flour, so the paste releases from the mould. This is because you get a nice shine on the paste straight away. Okay, so that's ready to put the paste in. This is our sugar paste. This works in the moulds without adding anything to it. I'm just going to roll that a little bit to give it a start before I put it in, because it's very thick. If you haven't got this paste, you would need to add flour paste, about half flour paste to half sugar paste, and that would work, or Tylo CMC powder, or again gum tragacanth. I'll just move these out of the way so I can roll the paste into the mould. So I'm just rolling that in, moving the paste. If the paste is too dry or firm, you might find that it lifts and you get air bubbles behind your rolling pin, so you're not going to get a good pattern imprinted onto your paste. So you can try softening your paste up with some fresher paste, or the other thing you can do is just pat a little bit of corn flour or icing sugar along the back of the sugar paste before you roll it in. So I've pressed as firmly as I can, and I know that that is now ready to come out of the mould. I can't get that any thinner or press any firmer because I can just see the edge of the mould here and here. So now what I'm going to do is turn it over like this, and then just peel the mould away from the sugar paste, and you can see all the detail in that. I find this much quicker trimming it afterwards than trying to keep the paste within the shape of the mould when I'm putting the paste in. Just use a cutting wheel. This is a PME cutting wheel, and just cut around the paste and straight up here. I have got this cutting wheel, you can see the angle that I'm cutting at. I'm not going in straight like this. I'm cutting at a slight angle to get a nice clean edge. And trim off there to finish. And then that can be attached around your cake. It's very easy to handle, as you can see. It's not going to break or rip. That can be attached around your cake now with some edible glue or royal icing. Here, the lace that I've put on, I haven't used the luster on it. Okay, and then you can pipe an edge with royal icing to finish it off if you want to. With the joins, where the two pieces join, if you use a 42 nozzle, which is a very fine rope nozzle, you can use the teeth to push the join together rather than using your finger and flattening the pattern.